Wow, that's phenomenally good handwriting. I mean, that's a lot of text to get on there.
Engineering.
What type of
Writing down one like that.
Welcome to Dresden Pest Control. We're hosting the San Luis Obispo Chamber Mixer tonight. We look forward to everyone having a good time mixing and networking. And have a great meeting.
Hi, we're from First Bank San Luis Obispo.
San Luis Obispo, downtown.
Come and see us.
Right. Hi. There you go.
Everybody, and it turns out you don't. No, that I don't.
Not new.
Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm with Perbaco Cellars here in San Luis Obispo. We're a small winery located off of Highway 1 and Calle Joaquin. And we're a boutique winery with premium wines, and we specialize in Pinot Noir. Feel free to give us a call at 805-787-0485 or visit us at our tasting room at 1850 Calle Joaquin.
Hey, hi, my name is Tony Waterman, and my company is Guaranteed Green. We do indoor plantscaping and maintenances for businesses and homes. So I'm actually located in Los Alamos, but I work out of my home, and I'm expanding to this area, and I'm a new chamber member.
Good.
I'm Annelies Vandenberg. I'm with Travel with Assistance. It's a service for anybody who needs care during travel.
There you go.
Hey.
Oh,
Hi, I'm Gina with Janichi Studios, and I am a graphic designer and a commercial photographer, and I do graphic design for print and web, and I can help you with any type of commercial photography you need for your marketing. My contact number is area code 805-440-3655, and you can visit me on the web at www.janichi.com.
those look like scallops. There we go.
We're grabbing.
What video?
All right, it's okay.
I'm Charmaine Peterson, and my company is Senior Living Consultants. We are a free placement agency. We specialize in helping families find the right options for their loved one with independent living, assisted living, or dementia retirement care homes here on the Central Coast. And our phone number is 805-545-5901.
Hello, my name is Lawson Schaller. I work with Solar Ponics in Atascadero. We do solar electric systems. We do solar pool heating systems, domestic hot water systems for your showers and laundry. We also do subfloor radiant systems. Our phone number is 466-5595. That's Solar Ponics, your trusted local expert since 1975.
Woo! Oh, the bugs in this place are going crazy. Yeah, I'm at the Dresden Pest Control Mixer, and we're making the bugs vanish today. All gone. Using magic.
I'm Kate.
I'm Brendan.
We're just visiting the chamber.
We're having a lot of fun. How many of you guys been?
We opened it in January.
And then I got a Pinot Merlot.
Hi, I'm Andrew, Pomar Junction. We're located right outside of Templeton, off Vineyard Drive and El Pomar Road. Starting this Friday, we have Trainwreck Fridays, live music, and food.
Here at
I want to know where you are and I'd like to know point to.
Oh, good.
Turn into a madhouse.
Hi, I'm Holly from Tolosa. We're right down here in the end of the valley, right by the airport. And come visit us, or you can call us out at
782-0500. Thank you.
My name is Diane Sandell, and I work for the Employment Development Department, State of California. And I work at a local business and career one-stop center. We assist job seekers in finding work and getting training. And for our contact information, you can call our main number, job seeker line is 788-2696.
Hi, Leslie. Nice seeing you. This is Maria with Mission Community Services, a non-profit organization that helps small businesses to do better. And those that are considering the idea of going into business, we would love to help you.
I'm Jenna.
I'm Kate.
We're with Proforma, M&A Graphics and Promotions. We do marketing solutions.
Print, promotional, and e-commerce.
The whole shebang. So anything you want, business cards, pens, tablecloths, the whole deal.
We're very excited to be a part of the chamber. You can call us at 805-782-9191. Hi, we are from ISEC, and we are the largest student-run organization in the world. Basically what we do is we do exchange. So we work with businesses in the local community to create internships for international students to come over here and work. So if you're interested, please contact us. Our email is aiesecSLO@gmail.com. And we check out our Facebook page at ISEC SLO.
I'm Ron Mathias from Whiten's Heating and Air Conditioning. We are Central Coast's largest heating and air conditioning company. We can be reached at 1-800-549-4881 for all your home comfort needs.
Darcy Fulkerson, founder of Web Eclectic Website Design. Do custom website design for informational websites. Been a member of the Chamber for almost 12 years, and you can see us at webeclectic.com.
Hi, my name's Leanna Stemwoodell with Looking Glass Photography, and I'm a visiting guest here at the Chamber, and I'm just here checking it out, socializing, having something to drink, a little to eat, having a good time, and thinking about joining up. And you can get a hold of me at Leanna at leannasLookingGlass.com.
We want to thank the Bresdens for doing such a great job, and I especially want to thank Maria Bresden and her sister who made the food all themselves. Whoa! Wonderful, wonderful food. Sherry, the general manager of Bresden Pest Control, is going to say a few words. And welcome, Sherry.
Thank you all for coming tonight. We really appreciate the San Luis Obispo Chamber. They do lots of things for business, and we were just excited, to have all you here tonight. Okay, we better not look.